Hello, beautiful angels. Merry early Christmas. So we are back again. I had just filmed the Montal Perfumes, the Oud collection, and now we're gonna do a Dedcool review. So the reason why I'm doing these back to back is because typically I don't get all made up, and since I did today, I even did fake lashes for you guys. I decided I might as well get the most bang for my lashes and do two videos back to back because I have very limited time to film anyways. I've been literally swamped. That being said, I'm always open to taking new clients. So if you or someone you know is moving to Florida and you want the best smelling, fastest running realtor, I'm your girl. I work all throughout Florida, but mainly in Orlando. So you can find me at the website down below in the description. Let's hop into this video. So this is the Dedcool box. I got this, and do not mind my chipped fingernails. You guys already know the drill. The nails, and if you're new here, welcome. My nails are always busted and crusted. It just is what it is. I've learned to live with it. You will too. I'm sorry if this offends you. Every now and then I do have my nails done nicely, but today we're just gonna have to suffer. It's really bad. I do need to take them off and just do clear polish. But anywho, this is the Dedcool packaging. It comes in a slide out package like this. And this is from, so I guess you have to squeeze it. This is from Sephora. So why am I so confused? This is so embarrassing. So this is from Sephora. It's like a slide out packaging like this. The fragrance samples are in here. And then on the back, it tells you a little bit about the fragrance. I like it. I think it looks really pretty. It is made in LA. It's 100% genderless, non-toxic, and vegan. And again, it's called Dedcool. This is collection 1, series 2, I guess. I don't know. So I have smelled these already. I cheated a little bit and I was playing with them, I think like a month ago when I got these in. I wasn't super blown away. I wasn't super impressed. I kind of felt like it was like a boy smells round 2, but they are pretty. It's something that, I mean, if you're really looking for something that's a little bit more unique at Sephora, I would give it a try. It doesn't hurt to order the sample. I think it was like 25 bucks. So I got 20% off the $25. So it was a great deal. This one's called Fragrance Milk. The sprayers on these are not the best, just being honest. This one almost smells like nothing. I don't know if it's just because we were smelling ouds, but this one smells almost like, literally like nothing. It's amber, bergamot, and white musk. So it's supposed to smell kind of like skin, I'm guessing, like warm milk, skin, that type of deal, kind of like commodity milk, potentially. That's kind of the vibe with that one. This one's called Fragrance 03 in Blonde, which is what I'm trying to do with my hair. Slowly but surely. This one's like nice. This one is fresh, refreshing. Let me see what's in here. This one's fresh and refreshing. Kind of has like a weird undertone though. This one's black, violet, and saffron. It's really interesting. I would have to almost wear this. It's like, it's kind of warm, but then it has a coolness to it. It doesn't make any sense, but violet can be really interesting note in perfume. And this one definitely does not disappoint. It's kind of like a weird floral, like a very cool floral. This one's called Red Dakota. This one's very interesting. So this one, is gardenia, amber, and bergamot. The bergamot really comes through in this like bright kind of sunny type of, hits you in the face right away, but it quickly starts to fade away. revealing the gardenia and the amber. It's a very odd blend. Normally you wouldn't expect like gardenia to blend with amber and bergamot. Gardenia and bergamot may be together because they kind of carry similarities, but the amber warms it up. It gives it a little bit of a warmth. It's a very interesting scent. The next one we're gonna smell is Madonna. And I think this one was the one that I thought was kind of strange. Okay, so I just like broke my phone. That's cute. But this is Madonna. This one I really, really like. This is warm, it's sensual. It's like, I could see this being a pretty girl fragrance. So if you're into those kind of like warm, sexy fragrances, I would say that's a good one. So again, that one's Madonna. We have two more. We have fragrance 2 and we have fragrance 1. So we have Taunt, and then this one I don't think has a name. So I went on a tester strip, so we're just gonna spray it on my little coat thingy. I don't think I've even sprayed this one before. It was a little stuck. This one smells kind of sexy, a little bit more, like a little bit more dramatic, like bring the drama. So this was fragrance 2 is gonna be Sandalwood and Juniper. This is very wood forward. I don't really smell the juniper a whole lot in here. There is like a little bit of like a kick to the woodiness, but it doesn't smell like juniper. So I like juniper. I think juniper berries smell really good. I personally like juniper essential oil, but I'm not getting like a super strong juniper forward. It kind of just enhances the sandalwood inside of this one. It's nice though, it's pleasant. I would actually like that a lot as a room spray. So that was fragrance 2. And then this one's fragrance 1 called Taunt. And we're gonna go ahead and spray it on the other side. I remember liking this one when I smelled it. I can already smell it. It smells so good. This one smells really good. So this one is bergamot, vanilla, and amber. Of course, we're gonna love it. We love vanilla around here. We love amber around here. So what's not to like? Bergamot, I will say, is a weird pairing with amber and vanilla. But in this one, it works. The bergamot kind of fades. I remember wearing this on skin. I think it was the first day that I got in Dedcool. I wore it on skin and I was like, that's really unique. And the bergamot did fade after about like an hour of wearing it. It really just kind of warmed up and became a really pretty vanilla. So if you're looking for like an interesting vanilla, something outside the box, something that doesn't smell plasticky, this is a good one. This would be a good one to go for. So I hope you guys liked this review video. If you did, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, drop down below, what are you wearing? What are you loving? And I will see you guys next time.